Here's a walk around of the entire car. Try to point out where I know there are spots. I will tell you that the windshield has the typical Mercedes haze. It isn't scratched, but on certain days and certain temps of light, you will be able to see a little bit of a haze in the windshield wiper areas. Chrome is in good shape. It does have, you know, a 34-year-old look. It's all in great shape. It does have what looks to be, I don't know, just some oxidization, for lack of a better term. I do want you to know that. It does look like when the car was painted, in my opinion, that the door pillars may not have been repainted with the rest of the car. When you stand out in the sunlight, you can see just a little bit of haze or checking, which causes it to look just slightly different than the rest of the car, but you almost have to be in total direct sunlight to see that. It's about 40 degrees here right now, so what you're seeing is just strictly exhaust, no smoke. The car does not smoke or use oil or any of the above. It does have a little ding right here in the corner. There is a little slight scratch across the back of the trunk where the bumper where the trunk area is. Car is extremely straight. No ripples, no dents, no door dings anywhere. Lower balance area is in really good shape, especially for its age. Brand new Michelin tires. They don't even have 300 or 400 miles on them. Brand new retro wheels. Interior on the car is literally like brand new. I can honestly say that I don't know of it having a blemish anywhere. You can hear the radio playing. The radio plays extremely well. Antenna does work. Goes up and down as it should, automatically or manually. Brand new Mercedes-Benz floor mats. Your kick plates are in great shape all the way around. Walk you around the front. No dings, dents, chips, anything in the top. Nothing in the hood. Brand new wipers on the headlamps. You know what those cost if you're a Mercedes person. There's a slight little blem right here in the chrome. It's really hard to see. I don't know if you can see it. When the sun hits it just in a certain way, it's just a little bit of, I don't know, rags or something. Other than that, that's about all I can tell you on the chrome. Anywhere else in terms of a problem. You can see the car internally, inside, is impeccable. $63,351 original. All your gauges are bright, nothing's hazed. Everything works inside except for the driver's side dome light, courtesy light. For some reason it doesn't come on, all the rest of them do. Headliner's perfect in the car. Top operates as it should. So, thanks for watching my video. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any video of cold start. It's about 40 degrees here today. Car was Obviously cold before we started it. There's your cold start.